Hello, my dear students. I know you're very excited to give that solid start for Group 2 through costing paper. In this video, I would be discussing the question paper pattern and answering strategy for costing, along with what are the resources available in our YouTube channel, which will help you in the preparation for cost and management accounting paper. We'll begin with the question paper pattern and answering strategy. Guys, in the reading time, that is from 1:45 to 2 p.m., you will read the descriptive question and choose which question will you start answering with. Try to keep your first two answer as the best answer, because once the evaluator read your first two answers, he or she will decide how well you are prepared. So there is no mandatory that you have to start with the first question. Whichever question you feel that you know the answer better, start with that. It can be second question, third question, or even first question. Yes. And start answering multiple choice question only from 4 o'clock, guys. Please don't take multiple choice question at the beginning, because you will end up consuming lot of time. So start reading and answering the multiple choice question only from 4 o'clock, and please don't take full 1 hour for multiple choice questions. Try to complete it as early as possible, and the remaining time try to spend again on descriptive time. If I have to repeat, from 1:45 to 2, you will read the descriptive question and decide which question will you start with and which question will you take it as a choice. From 2 to 4, you will answer descriptive question. You would have not completed, but still try to switch to MCQ, then complete MCQ fully, then come back to descriptive and complete it. Yes, and last 3 to 5 minutes, just keep it to cross check whether you answered all the question, especially MCQ. Even if by chance, if you don't know the answer for any of the MCQ question, please mark whichever you feel as right and come, guys, as there is no negative marking. Yes. So coming to the question paper, there will be two parts. The first part will have multiple choice question for 30 marks, and the second part would be descriptive type. Descriptive type will be totally having questions for 88 marks, but a student need to answer for 70 marks, guys. First, let me discuss in detail about the multiple choice. Then I will come to descriptive. Yes. So there will be totally 15 questions of 2 marks each under the multiple choice category, guys. In that, there will be two set of question. The first set of question is case scenario question. The second one would be independent question. Under the case scenario, there will be two case scenario questions. Under each case scenario, there will be 5 questions of 2 marks each. That means each case scenario will be having 10 marks, guys. So as there will be two case scenario for of 10 marks each, so total comes to 20 marks. Yes, sir. Then coming to 5 independent questions will be there, which is of 2 marks each, guys. Yes. So here it will be 10 marks. So totally 20 plus 10 comes to 30 marks. Yes, for MCQ, there is no negative marking. As I told you, please start answering MCQ only from 4 p.m. and answer all the questions. At the end, even if you don't know anything, please mark something and come. And sir, how do I read the case scenario questions? I will just tell you the strategy. So this is the September 2025 exams question paper, guys. So this is a case scenario question. Before reading the data, first go. There are totally 5 multiple choice questions under first case scenario. What do you do is first read the requirement. Don't read the option, just read the requirement. What is the direct employee cost? Okay. What is the prime cost? What is the factory cost? Fine, fine. What is the cost of goods sold? What is the amount of profit? Okay. Now you know what are you supposed to calculate. Go and read the information given. Now you will read, and when you read, you will connect to what are you supposed to calculate. And for MCQ, you need not prove your answer, guys. You just roughly work out what is the answer and try to select the right option. And some question you can also just calculate in the calculator. But what I have observed, guys, whenever it is a case scenario question, normally the last 1 or 2 question will be little time taking. Last 1 or 2 question will be little time taking, where you have to do lot of calculation. Please be careful with it. Yes, sir. Then coming to the independent questions, independent question will not have any connection to the previous questions, guys. And if you ask me, sir, should I answer under multiple choice? Should I answer first case scenario or should I answer independent questions? If time is a concern for you, try to answer first independent question, which will not consume too much time. Then you can come to case scenario. So independent questions would be from 11th to 15th question, guys. Yeah, yes, you can just observe. The independent questions, that is multiple choice questions, will be like this. It will not have any connection to the previous question or the subsequent questions, guys. So you need not worry about it. Yes, fine. So this is all about multiple choice. Then coming to descriptive question, guys, totally there will be 6 questions of 14 marks each, but a student need to answer only 5 questions. That means one question would be a choice. But first question would be a compulsory question, which will have 2 questions of 5 marks each and one question of 4 marks. That means totally 3 sub questions. Compulsory question. Sir, can I start with this? See, after reading the questions, if you have a confidence to solve first question only with utmost clarity, with less amount of time, you can begin with that. If not, you can start with whichever question you feel more confident about. Yes. Then out of the remaining question, one of the question would be a choice, guys. So please don't take the last question as a choice, what I suggest, because this will be a completely a theory question. After solving so many questions continuously, numerical question, you also will feel like, sir, I need to write little bit of theory. So there you can take this question. Sixth question will have one internal choice also. That will be a value addition, guys. One of the advantage there. Try to capitalize on that. And please ensure that wherever working notes is required, you have to give it, guys. Because some of the students think that notes or working notes and all is like optional. No, please read it here. Working notes or notes is mandate. And even under descriptive time, guys, whenever you feel the question is little lengthy, first go and read. Or for all the question, you can follow this strategy. First read the requirement. You can just see there. Calculate the selling price per desk in the month of June when the monthly output is 4,000 units. Once you understand what you are supposed to calculate, then you can read the information given. This strategy you can follow for all the descriptive questions or especially for the questions which are little lengthy, guys. Is that clear? This is all about the question paper pattern and answering strategy. Now, coming to the resources which are available on our YouTube channel for costing subject. Yes, there are 2 set of videos available, guys. The first set of videos are concepts marathon, which are available for each and every chapter, in which I have covered the concept of the chapter along with how to apply this in the questions or how do you present the answers or the logic behind the concepts. Then the total duration of this concept marathon, all the chapters put together is for 17 hours. Then I have also updated the questions marathon for each and every chapter in which I have discussed the test your knowledge questions from ICI material. The total duration of this videos is for 22 hours. The link for both these videos will be provided in the description. Do check it out. I wish you get an exemption in costing paper which will give you the boost for group 2. All the best, guys.